I'll be damned. Alright, okay, alright. What's good, how's it going guys? Hope we're all doing well. In this video it's going to be an unboxing, installation, and first impressions of the Tonewoodamp that has been waiting at home for me for the last 2 months since I was overseas. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So, okay. Play acoustic guitar with effects, no amp needed. I think that's one of the things that like sold me on getting this. When they're bombarding me with Facebook and Instagram ads, I was just like, you know what? You guys are doing a really good job at marketing. So let's go purchase one of these bad boys and see what it actually sounds like. On a side note, one of the Tonewood flipped me dead. You guys don't have this in Australia or New Zealand or even in Japan when I was there. So I literally had to order this from America and I had to do like the long way around because you guys don't have any supply over here in Australia. So please do us a favor and bring these over to Australia, please. And thank you. And yeah, anyway, that's all. Ta-da! So I actually also changed my strings just before I left a few months ago. So like super fresh still. So I don't really want to take off the strings, but they did tell me that you don't have to take off the strings, but we'll see about that. All right, welcome to Tonewoodamp. Welcome to the acoustic guitar 2.0. Put that over here for a second. Get a 1/4 inch TS cable. I'm assuming that goes into your amp and this thing. And we have the Tonewoodamp. Whoa, this is actually pretty hefty. You know what? I'm thinking this is about like nearly 200 grams, 250. For easy removal, keep this liner on. And this is the thing that touches the wood. I'm assuming this is like for grip. Cool, you stay there. And I'm assuming we got extra tape, whatever the thing is for the feet. And whoa, okay. Flip. This is kind of heavy too. All right, go down there for a bit. If you're like me, I'm a sucker for keeping the boxes and the packaging because I am like that and I'm an aesthetic person. So we're gonna pack up this box, make it look pretty again for the meantime. Ta-da. Leave that there for a bit. Yeah, cool. All right, so what do we have? We have the feet, the legs, the actual Tonewood, manual, cable, and extra sticky things. So let me just suss this out real quick. How freaking, holy crap. Okay. Oh, that's no joke. Woo! Guys, that's no joke. Yo, that ain't going nowhere. That is not going anywhere. Flip me dead. Jeez. All right. Cool. Let's put that aside for now. Cool. Good thing I watched a lot of YouTube videos before this, so hopefully we don't have to go into that. Let's put that over there. Let's put this here. This is freaking dangerous. Like, if I put it to my forehead, I'm pretty sure it's gonna like knock me dead. But let's go grab my guitar and see what we can do from there. Yeah, as you guys can see, I do have the LR Bags M1A pickup on there. So I gotta remove that real quick because that freaking thing's not gonna go anywhere, honestly. So anyway, let's go remove this first. I haven't taken this pickup off in a long time. But LR Bags, this is an amazing pickup. Just letting you know, I 100% vouch for this. I put it on a few of my other friends' guitars and stuff, and it's a freaking beautiful thing. Let's just take the easy road and do that for a bit. Let's put this aside. But anyway, if you guys want to see what it looks like, that's what it is. Yeah, it's really cool. It's kind of thick, but what's the battery again? CR2032, and it lasts for freaking ages. So you guys are good with that. Yeah, anyway, let's put this aside for now. Oop, don't die. And I gotta do the annoying thing, which is detune this guitar. It's not enough, almost. What strings do you guys use? I use, what do I use again? The purple one. Alexis custom medium gauge? The purple one? Freak, I can't remember what it is. Anyway, let's try to see. Whoa, okay. All right, buddy, let's figure this out. Woo! Well, that's a freaking hefty one, isn't it? Oh gosh. Oh, we're in. They said this is freaking easy. This is a lie. All the YouTube videos looked so easy. Then again, they weren't installing it with the strings and stuff like that. So, hello. Let's have a quick thinks. Quick thinks, guys. Might have done something right, might have not. I don't know. Let's give this a go. Well, I should have taped this to the backside first, but oh well. Oh gosh. Hey, that's some pretty damn good fitment. Alright, I'm gonna hold this for a second, because that's what you should do when you're trying to fix something. This is how it's placed right now. I think that looks alright. No? How are you guys? I think it looks pretty sweet. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. I think the only reason why I can't go further is because there's another brace that it's hitting. And that is okay. I'm totally cool with that. Sitting in the middle? Yeah, perfect. Alright, cool. So that's what it's gonna look like. I'm happy with that. Cool, eyeballing it. Guys, we're literally just eyeballing this. Oh, here we go. Round one, baby. Oh yeah, dude, I can totally do that. Luke, you are a smart cookie. Alright, now you gotta inspect whether all the freaking feet are touching something surfacey. Something surfacey. That's a word. Yeah, this would be so much easier if I was changing strings, but I don't want to change strings again. Ouch! Because my strings are still freaking new. I'm very happy with that. Hopefully it also sounds the goods. Oh yes, pickups. I remember how to install these pickups. Now what am I doing again? Tuning. I'll be back. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I tuned the guitar. I use the piano over there that's not tuned. So, yeah, fingers crossed it is okay. But not bad. Oh, I'm so keen for this. Let's turn this bad boy on. Okay, let's figure this out. Guys, we're learning together. Let's go. Oh, that makes sense. There's a blue button there. Oh, that's lighting up. Oh my goodness. I think now's a good time to read the manual, right? Should I go straight to 25? No, let's play 8. Let's do 18. Because 18 is a good number. Okay, I'm scared. I'm freaking scared. Oh, you simpleton. Sorry, dude. I got to plug it in. I honestly can't tell the difference right now. I'll be damned. Alright, okay, alright. Whoa, dude, that's balls to the walls. Oh, wait, what? Duh. That makes sense. Put your volume up. I'll do that. just gonna. Huh. Okay, reverb, you can chill out for a second. That's really tasty. Now I was trying to find a good balance. I'm chilling out on 15 right now. Wow. What the flip? This is so cool. I have a feeling all this feedback is coming because of my pickup. This is a very sensitive pickup, by the way, so I can understand why I'm literally sitting on 4 out of 10 on my pickup, because it's damn. I can 100% see why a lot of people are raving about this online. Although this product's been out for a freaking long ass time now. I don't know why I just started seeing it now, but Tonewood, good freaking job. This is sick. Honestly, this is like something you bring to like a songwriter session, or like some like live jam session at someone's house, or like at a cafe. This is cool. I vibe this so much. And like, look how easy it is to take off. Like, ready? Like, you just like, Oh, I didn't even take off the back tape yet thing. Okay, let's leave that there for now. But, I hope you guys liked my unboxing, my installation video, which is really sketchy, by the way. I'm gonna be uploading more of this and more reactions from some of my friends who are musicians. I just want to see what their reactions are, and I want to record it. So anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. If you guys have any questions about Tonewood, or like my acoustic guitar, or the setup that I have, just let me know down below, or get in touch with us on Instagram or Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. As I always say, God bless and never settle. Bye bye.